ladies back here, how many people actually try to add dialogue to their poetry? You can do that. You really can. We're going to do an activity today to help us develop our skill with dialogue, because sometimes that's not easy. You learn how to punctuate dialogue, quotation mark, comma or period, then the end quotation mark, but we never really know how to create dialogue so that it enhances our story. So, the first thing that we're going to do is my lovely assistant here, Team Squirrel, is going to pass out some puzzle pieces. All you need to do very quickly is put your hand in the bag, pull out one puzzle piece, don't do anything else. Okay? And let's see how fast we can make that. If Simone would like to just grab a stack and hit the other side of the room, that may make it faster. Don't match your pieces, gentlemen. Give it a second. When you find your piece, or you're given a piece, we're going to stand up. So once you have your piece, just stand up where you are. Don't go around looking for your match just yet. The side, ladies on the side. I hope I have enough. I did put a couple in for teachers. I was thinking 22 kids. A couple of don't. I wasn't sure, but if we're short, we'll work it out. If there's any left, teachers join in. I want to send you all the things. Everybody have a piece? All the pieces in? One more? Okay, on the count of 3, in a very organized type way, if that's possible in this space, try and find the person who matches your puzzle piece, and I'll tell you what to do next. You get about 60 seconds to do it. Go.
Hey, no! Stop standing loud.
If you find your piece, find a place in the room with a pen to sit with your partner. Find your partner and find a place in the room that you'd like to sit and write. And I'll tell you what to do next. Those who don't have their partners yet, remain standing, and that'll help you find your partner. But those of you who have found your partner, please sit, because that'll let us know who hasn't found their partner. Oh, well, they need somebody to write with them. Can you pass it? Miss Lowski, she found her partner, but you're pulling her and it's a two-person activity. Okay. Did you find? Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, now you're writing with someone that you probably normally wouldn't write with, which was the purpose of finding your partner. You know how kids are, they want to write with their friends, okay? So what you'll find when you put your pieces together, ladies, can you put your pieces together? You have 2 characters, such as a dog catcher and the dog owner. What you're going to do next is, my lovely assistant, Ikra, and Simone, if you could do this with me and then get back to your partner. You'll take Simone's spot. You're going to receive some sentence strips in 2 colors. You may get pink and white. You may get blue and yellow. But the different colors represent each of the characters. You each have 5. What you're going to do is to try to create a scene using dialogue. So you're going to write, let's say, the dog catcher may say, or the dog owner, I've lost my dog and I don't know what to do. I've looked everywhere. I've looked on Woodward, I've looked on 8 Mile, and I still can't find my dog. And the next line may be, and I won't add to it because you may steal my idea. Okay? So, dog catcher would put their first line on one strip of their sentence strip. Dog owner would write their response. And again, dog catcher, dog owner. So you have a volley, okay, of 5 statements. Once you have those written down, and once everybody has their sets of sentence strips, Ikra and Miss Middlowski, don't separate them. 5. They've already been put together. All you gotta do is give them their color and a marker. They've already been separated. Everybody gets 5. They've already been counted out. All you gotta do is pass them. You can't count? My person who separated them may not be able to count.
I think they were crazy about
She said she may have made a mistake, but it should be 5.
Okay.
Yes, each person, each character in the group of 2 gets 5. Okay? Once you've written your dialogue, you're going to then send one of your partners over to get, or we'll probably just pass them out, a piece of butcher block paper. You're going to glue your strips to this paper. If you're a pink and blue team, pink, blue, pink, blue. And once you're finished, you can get a piece of tape and just find a place in the room to tack it up here. Make sure you put your names on the bottom. And then I'll tell you what to do next. You have about 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, William?
Would you ever come up with names for them?
If that's what you want to do. You're creating a scene using dialogue. You've only got 5 sentence strips. Make it happen. We're going to pass out the markers. But you can start talking about what type of scene you'd like to create. You can't tell us what you're doing. We should be able to tell what that moment is based on your dialogue. May want to do a little rough draft on in your journal before you use your strips. I wouldn't go writing on my strips right away. Please, when you tape up your dialogue, please return the markers or Miss Knight and Miss Middlowski will have my head rolling down to this.
I've got